This now is really shocking. This a 3 buckler piece this. The bathroom is right here in the building.
Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
You see this name here wonder why not them?
Yeah, this is the bartender room where she stay in, alright? Every time bartender say them want nice accommodation, give her a king size bed, you know, with fan and TV, alright? This is the condition of the bartender of the room, you know. Look here, she do 5 days at the bar. 5 days so far she do at the bar, right? 1, 2, 3. The next one has to make 5. Look at this one. I'll Jonjo in this. Right? And every night the bartender, I ask her to sleep. See all her cup soap there? I ask her to sleep, right? This is it. Alright. This now is really shocking. This a 3 buckler piece this. The bathroom is right here in the building. And this a 3 buckler piece. Yeah, she pissing at this at night time. She not get up, go out to use the bathroom. She just pissing at 3 buckle like she a prisoner. You know, and the rest of stuff them really disturbing. So I don't even want to put it on the video. You understand? But this is the current situation right now of a bartender. Nice young girl, 20-year-old. She don't look bad. Yeah, any man that see her and take her up and say yes, you know? Living like a prisoner. The place stink, really stink.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. Some viewers and subscribers. You see that video there? Boy, me I tell us that Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Well, all I have to say, my people, and me I go talk based on when me see or when me think about the video. See? Alright, number one, basically, if a person really asleep in that situation, in that condition, they have food all about and a piece in a buckle, that definitely nastiness, my people. That they can't be somebody normal, on a real level. But me I say, my people, can a female tun really fit over this if really push in them buckle? Oh, them do it. Oh, me want to wonder, me never see them do it before. So ladies, can it really happen? Me no know, you understand? Because sometimes when me hear the woman, them I go, psh, it a spray like a hose, my people. No joke about it. Me not go say every woman turn the same way. But me I wonder how it a really manage to fit right down in them look back like how them say happy down in them. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So me I wonder if it's a man who in the place and do that, my people, and left in there. So me no know, me have to think all type of thing, my people. And on a real level, the man who in the bar responsible for the bar, yeah, grateful for no say you put one look a screen TV night and you have your look a bed over this and thing. But on a real level, that ain't even like one bossy room, you know, when they check you out. You understand? So nobody make it look like it too luxurious. But on a real level, yes, the person do nasty for true because them the type of food that we are grow Jonjo and them something that people can't sleep in there. So me have to wonder if she just use it as a place. So she eat at night time or something, but she not sleep there. You understand? Because of the bartender, we know this, we're not joke. Them do find one man, especially when they come in and look at area, most like them go sleep with the man. So maybe she just have the food them there, but she not stay there. You know what I mean? When they reach 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning, she cut and you not even know, so she gone around there. So you understand? On a real level. And where the bathroom there, can you should have show with the bathroom to come maybe it's a pistol you have out the door. You understand? And them sitting there, maybe the person comes up and them afraid to go outside or something. So you have to look at all of that different side. But on a real level, you not go take nothing for say the person really nasty for true. Me not hide from that. Yes, for sure the person do nasty. You understand? Because me say no food, no nasty. You know what I mean? No matter how the place they still can be clean. But don't make it look too bossy, man, because the place really and truly not too bossy. You understand? No. But grateful for no, so you provide a look at TV and you provide something else inside there. Yeah, you understand, which I do understand. But don't bother make it look like say something where 100,000,000% luxurious. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. But for now, my people are like I say, boy, the person do get exposed. You understand? Them say she are 20 and them say she are hot foot. You know what I mean? Full of tattoo, this and that, and all heap man maybe I run her done. But man must know them and get themselves in there. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. My people big up on yourself. More love, more respect, and more blessings. You don't know one team, one dream, one scheme, one attack it, boss. Please remember to follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official. Peace out, my people. Blessings. Big up.